Meaning of hurdling.
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 Hurdling. Hurdling refers to the sport of running and jumping over hurdles. It is a track and field event that requires athletes to sprint at high speeds, while also leaping over a series of obstacles without breaking stride. This sport demands both speed and agility from athletes, and those who can effectively clear the hurdles with minimal effort tend to come out on top. Hurdling tests an athlete's physical abilities, focus, and mental toughness. In summary, hurdling involves running and jumping over hurdles, which requires speed, agility, and mental fortitude.